Good morning, students. Some more explanatory terms. Today we are going to discuss. It is myocyte. These are the diploid cells present in the sex organs, which, on dividing meiotically, form haploid gametes. And embryogenesis is the term that refers to the process of development of embryo from the zygote. Now, if we move ahead in our discussion, here is a question: why are the gametes haploid? The process of formation of gametes by the sexually reproducing organism is known as gametogenesis. It is well known to you. The haploid organisms. You know, organisms can be a haploid or a diploid. Those which are haploid organisms produce their gametes by simple mitotic division, whereas the diploid organisms produce gametes by meiotic division in their myocytes, that is, the cell present in the sex organ. Thus, haploid and diploid organisms both produce haploid gametes which fuse to form diploid zygote. Diploid zygote forms and develops into diploid organism, but the diploid zygote undergoes meiotic division and produces haploid structure or spore, which gives rise to haploid organism. If the organism is haploid, it has to produce both male and female gamete by mitotic division, and these gametes will be having only a single set of chromosome. By the fusion of this gamete, zygote is produced which has diploid set of chromosomes. Now meiosis will take place and haploid spores will be formed inside. These haploid spores on germination produce the organisms with a haploid body having the single set of chromosome in their body cells. If the organism is diploid having two set of chromosome in their body, the male sex organ and the female sex organ will have the myocytes which undergo meiosis and form haploid gametes. These haploid gametes, when unite, form zygote that has the diploid set of chromosome, and the zygote undergoes embryogenesis. Embryogenesis, we have discussed, is the process by which zygote develops into embryo, and this embryo ultimately grows into the diploid organism. This is the question: why are gametes haploid? Organisms have fixed number of chromosomes in their body cells. During gametogenesis, gamete forming cells undergo meiosis and form haploid gametes, male and female gametes with haploid set of chromosomes. When fused, the diploid set of chromosome is again established in the zygote, which ultimately develops into a diploid organism, and thus the chromosomal number in the body of the organism is restored. That's all. If there is any question, you may consult me between 10 to 11 am on my mobile number 7050773907. Thank you.